Thank you. To my colleague, I would like to say that I agree with what she said, and $60 million is a lot of money. It's a lot of taxpayer money. The whole budget's a lot of taxpayer money. And as a parent and as an elected official and as a taxpayer, I want to see those funds focused on our students and in our classroom so that our educators and our professionals on our school level have what they need in order to deliver instruction to our children, because that's why we're all here. However, I wanted to also, in a nod to transparency, one of the challenges with this very large budget book is that it's very difficult for anyone to have a sense of how the school system in the past has allocated and approved its spending versus how it actually did do that spending. I sat down on January 6th with the Chief Financial Officer, Chair Valancourt, as well as the Board of Education's auditor. And we discussed the operating budget. I felt and thought that we had a very good discussion. A lot of information was exchanged. And we explained that the Board of Education members wanted to have, from FY13 to the present, a file that would allow us to analyze the approved budget for the years were available, the actual budget for the years available, so that we could take all of this data and be able to look at trends and have an understanding of, if we say we're going to put our money somewhere, does that money really end up there? We are now here in February, and we still have not received that information. So I am disappointed and perplexed as to why we do not have that information. And not only did I want us to have that information, I wanted to be able to provide it to the community so that they could have a much stronger voice when they come to us and say how they want to see our budget presented to the county council and the county executive, and how we spend their very hard-earned tax dollars on our students. So, due to the fact that we do not have that information, none of us have had a chance to truly dig deep and analyze a very, very large budget. I move that we postpone today's meeting until we get the information and we have time in order to evaluate it.